It's 10, 12. 10 and 12. 10 and 12. 10 and 12. That's not right. So that's my street code. Hi guys, hope you subscribe. I know, I just tell you to subscribe. Nick, hey Leland, tell them turn on the bell notifications. Okay. Huh. Turn on the bell notifications. What? You shot both of them.
What? I shot both of them at the same time?
Yeah.
That's weird.
Yeah.
How did they not like catch that? Put that one in this compartment. Hey!
Oh.
That one, over there. It's over there.
Oh, over there?
Hey, more brother, me brother.
What is it? It's not there. If you don't shoot it this way, you won't have problems looking for it.
Just give me that one, please.
Found it. It's stuck on a curtain. Have it this one. Make sure it's already deep. Good kid. Shot one. Shot that one.
Wait,
One right there. One right there.
hold on. I want to see if they caught that. What's happening, YouTube? And we are back again, yet again, with another video. I got my oldest dad. He's almost like 21, I think.
I'm 34, boy.
34. And his name is Robert, just like me. And I got my brother over here.
Yeah, and
Leland. He's loading up the Nerf gun, as y'all guys can tell.
guys, and I'm gonna be
Shooting out the virtual reality.
yeah. I hope I will do it 1 by 2.
You don't understand. I'm not going to sit here and explain it to you.
Come on, we're on. Come on, let's set it up. Let's set it up, man. Guys, my brother, my brother's gonna set it up.
Hey. And they got to say, watch this, YouTube. You gotta say, watch this, YouTube.
Watch this, YouTube. Wait, I want to make sure it's my face. My face. Watch this, YouTube.
Sorry, dog. If you comment to that fucking nigger, I'm done, Heather. I told you no.
I'm not commenting to him.
Caught that. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's watch it.
No. Here's Rob and his obnoxious wife, Heather. His beautiful wife, Heather.
Thank you.
And phone.
As you can tell, his room is very messy. He's in love with Harley Quinn.
Yeah, we're a little messy in here right now. 2 views already.
And guys, come look at
Yeah, so I just gave him a break and
And guys, come
Let's
look
just
at
go
our
here.
room. Come on, guys, come look at our room.
no, you gotta put down the gun and then like hold it like this, but don't drop it. And don't stop.
Okay. And guys, you gotta come watch. Look at our room. It's pretty messy, guys. See? Yeah, that is messy. Comment below and smash that like button and
Turn on our bell notifications. Send requests in the comments.
Yeah.
And thanks for my first subscriber on my first YouTube
And
channel.
guys,
Thank you a lot.
invite this.
Oh
video
God, the scary thing, the scary thing, the scary thing. That's the scary thing. There's a scary thing in there. Don't look in there. Bye, guys.
Bye guys. Peace out.